Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video we have a Bluetooth receiver from Mpow. This is the Mpow V5.0. It is a Bluetooth 5.0 receiver that is the latest version of the Streambot or Streambot Mini, which is just a device that can basically turn anything into a Bluetooth receiver. So in the past I've used this to add Bluetooth to my car. You can also use it to add Bluetooth to speakers or headphones, so it's extremely versatile. This upgraded version here features 16 hours of battery life and 66 feet of range, so it's going to have double the range of the previous versions. All that for around $17 on Amazon using the available coupon, so check the link in the description to find that price. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. So as you can see, it comes in a nice cardboard box, and I like that because you can recycle it. And while I'm getting this open, just want to thank Mpow for sending me this device to test. Thank you very much. On top we have some marketing material. Then we have an accessories box, and that contains a very small 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cable. So in the past, I've used something like this to connect it to my car's auxiliary cable. I'll show you how that works later in the video. We also have a nice 3M sticker, so you can attach it somewhere if you need to. After that, we have a micro USB charging cable. So this is what charges the actual Bluetooth receiver. I like that it's a very standard cable, like a micro USB. After that, we have a longer auxiliary cable, which is 3.5 millimeter, and then a user's manual. And here we have the V5 Bluetooth receiver. So as you can see, a very sleek design compared to the older versions of the Streambots. This just looks awesome. Really nice looking button right here that has a very nice looking LED around it. We'll get it turned on in a second. So on the top right here, this button is multifunctional. You can use it to pause and play any audio that's being played over the device. You can also hang up and answer phone calls. So if you have this connected to your phone in your car, you could easily answer phone calls with it without having to mess with your phone. And you could also pause the music that's being played on your phone. So it allows you to be hands-free. You also have a really nice looking Mpow logo that says wireless receiver. It's very nice. And the plastic this device is made out of is very lightweight, but it also seems very sturdy and high quality. On the left side right here, we have the auxiliary port, and it does have a nice label that says aux. So you would simply just plug this in like that, and then you would plug the other end into your auxiliary port, either in your speakers or your car, something like that. On the bottom of the device right here, we have the micro USB connector. So you simply just plug that in right there, and then you plug the other end of the cable into whatever device you're powering it with, such as a power bank or a wall adapter or a car adapter. Over on the right side of the device, we have three buttons. The first is going to be a toggle switch, and that just powers on the device. After that, we have a rocker button, which is a minus symbol and a plus symbol. This is going to be the volume control and track control. So if you have it connected to your phone, you can control the volume of the audio. You can also control the track. And then on the back of the device, we have some information. As you can see, the model number is BH298A. Looks like on the top of the device, we have a little hole for a microphone. And I'll do a quick microphone test very shortly. So real quick, I just want to reiterate what this device is capable of. If you have a car that does not have Bluetooth, or you have a pair of headphones or speakers that are not Bluetooth enabled, you would simply plug this into the auxiliary port in your car or the speakers, or maybe have an adapter on your headphones so you can plug this in, and then this device will act as a Bluetooth receiver. So if you pair this to your phone, and your phone is playing music on it, the phone will send the music to the Bluetooth receiver, and then the Bluetooth receiver will send that to whatever it's plugged into. So it's a great way to add Bluetooth functionality to your car, where you can answer phone calls, listen to music, podcasts, anything like that from your phone over the speakers in your car. So now that we've taken a closer look at the Mpow V5.0 Bluetooth receiver, let's go ahead and get it turned on. We'll pair it with my phone real quick so you can see what that looks like, and then we'll do a quick microphone test on it. So I'm just going to turn on the device by flipping this switch up. Now we can see the white light blinking, and that simply just means it's in pairing mode. It comes up on my phone as BH298, and we're connected. As you can see, the battery came fully charged. I currently have the Mpow V5.0 Bluetooth receiver connected to my computer, and all the audio you're hearing is coming from the microphone located on the receiver. So hopefully this gives you a good idea of what the microphone will sound like if you're going to be using this to place calls in your car, or maybe with your pair of headphones, something like that. But it's pretty cool that this has a built-in microphone that can be used to place calls. Hey guys, I'm in my Honda Civic right now, and as you can see right up here, just under the radio, is the auxiliary cable input. So that is 3.5 millimeter. And then we also have a 12 volt power outlet. So first I have the small auxiliary cable right here. I'm just going to plug that in to the Bluetooth receiver. Then I'm going to simply just plug the other side into the auxiliary port right here. So as you can see, it's plugged in now, and it just stays right near the auxiliary port, so it's really easy for me to access while I'm driving if I need to answer a call or pause a track or change the volume. I have that control right there. Now I'm just going to put my USB car charger into the power adapter right there, and then I'm going to use the included USB cable to plug that into the Bluetooth receiver and then give it power. So as you can see, it's a little red ring right there, meaning it is getting power. Now I have Spotify pulled up on my phone, and when I press play, it'll play it through the speakers in my car. So as you can see, now I can pause the music using the Bluetooth receiver. I can also change the track if I want to. I have all that control on the Bluetooth receiver right there. And the audio quality actually sounds really, really great through my car's speakers. And now the last thing I'll do is I'll just use this to place a quick call, and we can see how that sounds. So you can hear the ringing through the speakers.
Hello?
Hey, I'm doing a quick microphone test of the Bluetooth receiver from Mpow. How does it sound?
It sounds good. Clear.
All right. Now I'm just going to quickly hang up on the call using the button on the Bluetooth receiver. And the call has been ended. All right, so as you just saw there, the Mpow BH298A actually works very well. It was really easy to get this set up in my car because you have the two different auxiliary cables. So you have the very short one, and then you have the long cable. And then charging it was also easy because it's micro USB. So I was able to charge it with just a simple USB adapter in my car. Now the audio quality from this was really good. It was very clear, and it sounded just like I was playing a high quality CD or HD radio, so no issues there with the audio quality at all. Placing calls with it was very easy as well. You simply just place the call on your phone, or if you're hands-free, you can simply answer a call if you're receiving it by hitting the button once. Now a couple things I want to get into. This button is actually multifunctional, so in addition to just answering and hanging up on calls and then pausing and playing music, you do have the ability to redial phone numbers on your phone with this device by simply doing a double tap. And then if you hold down the button, it'll bring up your voice assistant on your phone. So either being Siri, Amazon Alexa, or Google Assistant. So you do have that capability there. In addition to that, because it is Bluetooth 5.0, you also have the ability to connect two different phones to it at the same time, which makes it really great on long road trips or something like that, where you have two people in the car. They both have the ability to play music and have phone calls go through the Bluetooth receiver. So really good functionality there. Another thing I want to point out is this does have a battery saving feature on it. So if it loses connection to a phone and is no longer connected to anything after 10 minutes, it'll turn off the device automatically, even if the switch is left on. So that's a really good feature that saves the battery. Overall, I think the Mpow V5 Bluetooth receiver is a great product, and I would highly recommend it. I have used the Streambot and Streambot Mini in the past, and I would say that this upgraded version is definitely an upgrade. It looks better. It has Bluetooth 5.0, so you can connect two devices at the same time, better battery life, and a longer range. So if you're in the market for a Bluetooth receiver, I would highly recommend this Bluetooth receiver over any of the other ones on Amazon. If you have any questions about the Mpow BH298A Bluetooth receiver, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description below so you can find this exact device on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.